Good afternoon. I'm Ramon Bilimanca. I had just come from my work and still have time to do this exercise number 12 for the course Computer Aided Drafting for University. So the problem is we have to insert these blocks inside this 800 by 800 uh, squares spaced at 100 in between. These blocks are coming from previous drawings. As you can see, uh, we have done this before. And then with this scale, I have problem with this scale. Seems to be not correct, but let's see what will happen. So let's start. The first thing we do is to create the. Uh, uh, let's make sure first that ortho is on. Let's turn on ortho. Okay, and let's remove it. Oh snap, it is okay, it's already off, so no problem. So now we are going to make the uh, squares. Okay, so the command is line. Okay, so I start at 0 0, then going up by 2600. I pre-calculated it, so going to the right to 2600 as well. Is it 2600? I cannot see it. Okay. Now going down 2600 again, and to the left 2600. Now we have the square. Enter. Now we're going to offset this by 800. Okay. Offset 800. Offset this by 800 here, this by 800 here, this by 800 here, and this by 800 here. Okay, now we are going to offset this by 100, okay, as specified. So offset this by 100 here, 100 here, 100 here, and 100 here. Okay. Now we have the grid. All we have to do is trim it. Trim. Trim. Remove all unnecessary lines. So from the top, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, oops, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, now we're done trimming. Oh, we still need to trim this. Okay, now we're done. Okay, so now we're going to remove these two squares. We don't need it. Okay. Now we're through with the the grid, so we're ready to start inserting our uh, our objects. But first, let's turn off ortho because it will not help me, but actually annoy. I think we still have one more to trim. Trim all this line. Okay. Now we're ready to insert. Okay. The command is insert. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is browsing already. I did it before. Okay. So open for A. Okay. Now, these are all correct here. So, this one I cannot change anymore because it says here 25.4. But since I'm already working with inches on all my drawings, this one I will not change anymore. This scale, okay. The scale here, it says 111. So let's follow it, see what will happen. So insert. If you receive this uh, message, that only means that you have done it before. So ready, fine. You see, if you scale it 111, the figure will be so small. So I have to do a different scale from what it is given in the problem. Okay, so I'll insert it again, insert. So I'll insert 4A again. Okay, these are just the drawings that we did before. I just have to rename it to comply with this naming here. So now, instead of that, I use 32 for 4A. 32. Okay, insert. We define. See, it's completely good. It's good, right? So we just have to center it manually. Then insert again. Oops, sorry. Insert again. And let's do 4B. So 4B and 4A have exactly the same dimension, so I'll scale it the same way. This is 32. Insert. We define. So let's just center it approximately. Okay. Now insert again. We go to 5A. Open. For 5A, this is of different size. I scale it at 28. Insert. We define. Center it. Center it. That's it. Then 6. Open. For 6, I put the scale at 5. Okay? Insert. We define. Oh, 6 should be here. Okay, I'll do the 5B. I forgot 5B. Okay? So, insert, browse, 5B. I forgot 5B. So, insert. Now, the scale for 5B, I put it at 28. See? When I'm doing this exactly, oops, what, something wrong. Okay, insert it, insert. Let's go to 5B. 5B is 18, not 28. Okay, this is 18. Okay. So you see, if I do my own scale and not follow this scale, I get a better result. So I'm doing it this way. Okay, so now I'll go to 7 or 6. 6. Okay. 6 is finished already. So we'll go to insert the 7. For 7, my scale is 32. Okay. 32. Insert. We define. So I put 32. Okay. And insert again. Browse 8. I forgot to I think this is 27 something. Okay. Insert. We define. Okay. It's quite smaller, but I think it should be 28. But anyway, it looks good enough. Anyway, thank you very much. Let's see the layout, and it's perfect. All we have to do is to uh, get the annotations, and we're through. Okay, so it's almost the same as what is in the problem. Thank you very much, and God bless you, and see you in the next exercise. I think I still have two exercises to go, and then the final exam. Thank you very much.